you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's lovely to be in Cardiff. It's my first visit. We've not got lost yet. We're doing well. That was a tune called Ampleforth, which is from Yorkshire, and it's a dance that's associated with a longsword tradition that's danced out on Boxing Day for those hardy souls who go out in Morris kits when it's far too cold. We're going to move on to a set of two tunes, which we've called the Two Williams, because there is a William who plays it, and a William who wrote it, and they're not the same people. The second tune is written by one of my pupils who's just turned 16. He thinks it's rubbish, and I think it's amazing, hence I play it. Thank you very much. We're going to move on to a tune that I wrote, and I wrote it for my friend's birthday. Paul is the bagman, so the man in charge of the money in the Morris side that we both dance for. And we wrote it, as it turned out, on his birthday, but we didn't know until we got home. And we didn't buy him a birthday present. And thought, we could give him a tune instead. So, the tune is called The Earl of Newman, for our friend Paul Newman, who is the bagman of Earlsdon Morris Men. I'm going to sing a song. I don't do this very often, so I'm a little nervous. I'm from Scotland, and this is a song that was collected by a man called Child, and they're called Child Ballads. There's hundreds of them. He went all around the country, all around Scotland and England and Wales, and he got people to sing these songs to him, these really old songs. And this is a song called The Two Sisters. And it sounds ever so cheery, but it's not. Most folk songs involve death, unrequited love, and possibly people turning into animals. Just for a bit of variety. This one only has two of those. So we have the unrequited love, and we have the death part. But it sounds very fun, so it's all fine. very much. Will's going to play the harmonica. Just for something completely different. What are you going to play, Will? He's going to tell you.
Thank you very much. I think it's on. Yes, it is. I'm going to play a few tunes actually. The first one is an Irish tune called The Jolly Beggar Man. It's quite bluesy actually, so it's quite good fun. The second tune I'm going to play is called The Floating Candle. I've no idea what it's called about, but it's fast. And then the last tune is one of mine called Waxes. Anyway, hope you enjoy it.
you still breathe?
Just about.
He can almost still breathe. We might do something a bit slower so he can get his breath back. This is a tune called Orange and Blue, and it's a Cotswold Morris tune from the village of Sherburn, which is in Gloucestershire. But we play it as a waltz, so Morris dancing might be a bit tricky to it. Very much. We're going to stick with another Morris tune, because we do like our Morris dancing. And it's a tune called the Upton upon Severn Stick Dance, or as we affectionately know it, Upton under Severn, because it always seems to flood, bless it. The rule seems to be, I've never danced the Upton upon Seven stick dance, I will say that first. The rule seems to be, from what I've observed, you either have to splinter your sticks for dramatic effect, or smash them completely and send splinters flying everywhere. So there will be no sticks in this actual performance for health and safety reasons. Thank you very much. We're going to do some jigs that I wrote about 2 weeks ago. So it's the first time we've ever performed them, which is quite exciting. The first one is called the Dustpan and Brush. There is a reason for this. It doesn't sound quite as mad as I probably am. We were playing at a wedding, and as weddings do, it had run a bit late, about 2 hours late. So we were standing by the bar, sort of out of the way, near a nice lemonade before we played, all very good. And this guest came up. She maybe had a few drinks, maybe, and went, "Have you got a dustpan and brush?" We both looked confused and went, "Why would we have a dustpan and brush?" "Well, because someone's dropped a glass." We went, "Oh, we don't work here, we're playing." So bless her, she thought we worked at the bar because we were standing next to it. So she was very embarrassed after that. So we decided we had to write a tune, and it became the Dustpan and Brush. And the second one doesn't have a name yet, so if anyone has good ideas after we've played it, let me know. I don't know how long we've got to go. It's like my watching. 20? 10? I'm going deaf in my old age. Ooh, it's up to us. No one's ever said that before. We'll do a couple more then, since we've got a bit longer. What we're doing? We'll do another Morris tune, but this is a Morris tune with a difference. This is my favourite Morris tune. It's one of the first ones I learned. It's the first Cotswold dance I learned to dance. Being Scottish, we don't do Morris dancing. It was a new thing when I moved. And it's a tune called Old Tom of Oxford, but it's inspired by Glenn Miller. Thank you very much. We're going to play Strathspey and Reel from Scotland, and it's called Franks. I don't know who Frank is, but he deserves a very good tune. Thank you very much. We've had a lovely time. It's so nice to come to Wales and play for the first time. We're going to play our last tune now. Thank you very, very much for all coming and listening and being so enthusiastic. We're going to play a tune called Spooty Scary, which is from the Shetland Islands, and it's written by a man called Ian Burns, and it was named after his great-aunt's farm. It's a bit of a tongue twister, Spooty Scary. And the tune's a bit like that as well.